Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi problem on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you have to scroll down like this. You just keep scroll down and on the down you are going to find the system option. Okay, so here is the system. Click on it. When you move on system, here you are going to find the reset options. So click on reset options. After that, here click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Okay. Then from here click on reset setting. If you want, you have to confirm your screen lock. Then you have to confirm the screen lock. Then click on reset. Okay. Then when you click on the reset, no, the problem of Wi-Fi problem, Bluetooth problem and mobile data problem will be solved on your mobile phone. You just need to click on reset. Okay, here is the reset setting. When you click on reset setting, you have to confirm the screen lock. Okay, and friends, if you love this video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.